Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am here to share with you all a beautiful collection of greeneries and plantations. Actually, it's not mine. It is of my mamu. And and I love these collections. I love greeneries. I love this place of his house. Share your views about plantation and greeneries and tell me in comments if you like it or not. It gives you the feeling of freshness and like relaxity, calmness. Greenery is much important, so do plantation and make your own area, own city, own country, especially your home, green and the place of relaxation. At the end, I would like to thank you all and request you to please subscribe my channel and share your comments and thoughts about plantation in comment box of my channel. Thank you so much.